I've been coming back at you with for day 2 of the Great Wolf Lodge vlog. Sorry I didn't post episode number 1 because the audio in the thumbnail got messed up and I didn't have a computer with me, so I didn't post that. Well, I was gonna post it, but then I took it down. And today I'm coming at you from the balcony, and this balcony is actually has actually a very good view. I mean, just look. Sorry there's a glare, but I am outside and it's really sunny. And it's really sunny here. So, I just got back from the swimming pool. It was great. I took a shower. I got on change. I got a bunch of other stuff here. And now people are staring at me because I'm probably the only YouTuber here. Because I grind. Because if I go somewhere special, I vlog it. If I go somewhere special, I vlog it. And this. So let me give you a little background history on this building. Okay, so it first opened as Key Lime Cove. I went to Key Lime Cove. It was like Florida themed. It was like Florida themed resort, like a bunch of toucans and Florida stuff. I mean Key West, like Key West stuff, Florida Keys. And so, and then Great Wolf Lodge bought it. Yeah. Yes. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, Mom, I just lotioned. Okay. I just finished lotioning, and the lotioning part's starting to cut out because who wants to watch me lotion? Nobody. But I will show you the type of lotion I did use. Aloe vera hydrating body lotion. Something like that. And
Mom's calling you down.
okay, let me pause one more time. So I'm gonna edit out. I had to go clean up something. It's the one. You know what I like about this place? I mean, the place just has such a good environment, and it's just so kid friendly and adult friendly. You should be able to have it. Everyone have fun, and that everyone can have fun. I mean, the water park's cool. The people are cool. I mean, a little kid came up to me. I was in the water park and said, "Do you want to play hide and seek?" And I said, "Sure." And I said, "Sure, kid." Well, Marco Polo, that's like the pool version. So, I know you're very intrigued by the view behind me. You can see more. Yeah. I mean, they they give you at least like a minute. I think they gave us 10 towels in our room, and they give you complimentary things like this. They give you complimentary things like this lotion I have. And so, I mean, the room is nice. I mean, as I'm gonna show you now, we got a cow. We got a TV, drawers, chair, a lamp, and then the door that connects the two rooms. There's another door that's supposed to connect another person's room, but we don't do that. Table. They give you wolf ears. They give you wolf ears because Great Wolf Lodge. Wolf ears. Yeah. Okay. I was telling my sister something. Uh, We got this because we went out to eat last night for dinner, and this place called Nils and Company. My school gets it for hot lunch some days. Really nice, really good, really nice place. Yeah, anyone goes to my school.
You have underwear on.
Hmm.
You have underwear on.
Yeah.
I don't feel underwear.
Here's our dirty beds. Here's our dirty beds. A complimentary book. A
That's a
complimentary
Great
book.
Lodge resort thingy.
There's my sister trying to be the attention hog again. Like, it shows you, like, stop. Film. Like, it's like, shows you, like, where everything is and stuff. It's very nice. It gives you a very good tour. And they gave us this.
Great Lodge thing.
They gave us this when we came in. I think it was for, like, future references. Painting, a TV. It's like Alexa's watching this show. There's a bunch of food. A bunch of food. A dirty bathroom. A closet. A closet where we put all like of our like our bags in. And I think that's pretty much all the room I gotta show you. I'll see you guys for day 3 of the Great Wolf Lodge tour. I will see you guys later. Keep hanging in there.